Welcome to an aMiSTACX deployment for Matomo 4.12 open source on AWS. Matomo is an amazing open source platform for analytics that keeps your customer data away from Big Brother tech. Copying the usage information to a text editor is suggested for easy reference. Make sure you review the listing terms, pricing, and ask all questions before you deploy. We recommend using a seller-suggested AWS security group for initial deployment. You can expect about an 8-minute deployment. Wait for initialization to complete, and take the time to name your instance. It is very important to wait the full 8 minutes for deployment. Otherwise, you will run into EC2 errors. Here we created and assigned our public Elastic IP address to our Matomo EC2. Now we will add our public Elastic IP address to the usage instructions we saved earlier on Notepad. Make sure port 8080 is open, and accept the certificate warning. We will also make use of the Elastic IP address for our SFTP connection via WinSCP. Planning your DNS is very important. In our demo, we are using Cloudflare, and will create a DNS-A record. Then we will update Apache, postfix, and the system's hostname file to match our DNS-A record. At this point, we will now proceed with the Matomo install wizard. If you do not plan to use aMiSTACX Trak module for Magento, then it is safe to delete the Do Not Delete PHP file. Basic database connection information can be found in the stack guide, but it is also observable in this video. Obviously, for security reasons, you will want to change default passwords post-installation, and prior to production usage. Register for A51, and access the main dashboard to see your newly deployed instance. Note, A51 is only a limited user interface to your AWS console, and you are responsible for all costs associated with your AWS account. For convenience, the Stacks database can be accessed directly from A51, or you can access directly from the URL provided in the usage instructions. Should you require technical assistance, please make use of our Q&A bot accessible from the A51 dashboard and main website. The last part of this demo, we will configure Matomo to process reports via cron.